Hello, greetings to everyone. Today we'll be presenting about precision livestock farming, smart technologies for animal health and productivity. For our second case study, we'll be discussing our findings and it will be presented by Iskandar, me myself, Azim, and ATHIRA and JECKMIN.
For this slide, I will talking about precision livestock farming or PLF. Basically, PLF is advanced farming method that use smart technologies like sensors, camera, and artificial intelligence to monitor the health, welfare, and productivity of animals in real time. This system helps farmers make faster and more accurate decisions while also improving sustainability and animal well-being. In Malaysia, livestock farming is very important for ensuring food security and supporting rural livelihoods. However, many farmers still struggle with low productivity, frequent disease outbreaks, and poor resource management. That's why adopting automation and data-driven technology talk PLF can be a real game changer. It provides practical solutions that help farmers improve efficiencies, reduce loss, and move toward a more sustainable and profitable livestock industry.
Moving on to the case description, a dairy farm in Selangor has started using smart collars and sensors to keep a closer eye on their cows. The devices track important things like the cow's temperature, how much they eat, and how much milk they produce each day. The information is then checked by an AI system which can spot early signs of health issues. If something doesn't look right, the farmer gets a notification on their phone allowing them to help the cow before the problem gets worse. Thanks to this technology, the cows stay healthier and the farm enjoy better milk production, showing how modern tools can make livestock care easier and more effective. Now I'm gonna talk about technology used in precision livestock farming. Precision livestock farming (PLF) uses a mix of modern technologies that work together to make farming easier and more efficient. For example, IoT sensors can be attached to animals to track their body temperature and how active they are, helping farmers notice health changes early. Drones can fly over large fields to keep an eye on the herd, making it easier to find animals and check grazing conditions. Automatic, Automated feeding system also ensure animals get the right amount of food based on its needs. With the help of artificial intelligence and data analytics, farmers can detect diseases sooner and improve overall production. Even camera systems are being used to spot signs of stress and lameness by analyzing how the animal move. Together, these technologies support healthier animals and smarter farm management.
And next slide is benefits and impacts. One of the benefits is it allows early detection of disease. This will reduce mortality and improve animal welfare by continuously monitoring animal behavior, health indicators, and environmental conditions. Farmers can ensure that livestock remain healthy and stress free. Secondly, enhance productivity by enabling farmers to make informed decisions based on accurate, real time data collected from sensors and automated systems. This leads to optimized feeding, breeding, and housing management practices. Lastly, it promotes sustainability by minimizing resource waste. Technologies that tracks feed intake and water usage help a farmer adjust to resources precisely according to each animal's needs, reducing feed waste, lowering water consumption, and minimizing the farm's environmental footprint. Moving on to the next slides, which is challenges. One of the challenges is high cost of implementing advanced technologies such as the sensors, drone, automated feeders, and software systems. These tools require significant initial investment and maintenance, which can be difficult for smallholders farmers who often operate in limited budget. Second, lack of stable and high-speed internet connectivity. Many rural areas lack stable internet connectivity, which affects data transmission. Farmers also need training to use this digital system effectively. Other than that, financial and technical barriers, issues related to data management, ownership, and privacy also pose significant concerns, as farmers may worry about who has access to the information collected from the farm and how it will be used, especially when dealing with third party technology providers.
Now let's move on to the next slide, which is findings and recommendation. Our findings show that precision livestock farming (PLF) has strong potential to improve Malaysia's livestock sector. It enhances productivity, reduces disease risk, and supports sustainable farming practices. To encourage wider adoption, we recommend the government should provide financial incentives and subsidies to help farmers adopt smart farming tools. Second one is training programs should be developed to improve farmers' digital skills. The third one, universities and institutions should collaborate with industry to test and promote new livestock technologies. The last one is awareness campaign should highlight the long-term benefits of PLF to local farmers. That's all from me. Thank you.
To conclude this presentation, precision livestock farming represents the future of sustainable and intelligent animal production. In Malaysia, we are not alien with the idea of PLF or precision livestock farming, as we all know. In Kundasang Desa Dairy Farm, there's also precision livestock farming that has been implemented for a lot of years. But moving forward, as a future agriculture worker, hoping to see more precision livestock farming to be implemented not just in Sabah, in Kunasang, but in the entirety of Malaysia. By using modern technology and data analysis, farmer can improve animal health, reduce disease outbreaks, and increase productivity. With proper support, education, policy backing, PLF can transform Malaysia livestock industry and strengthen national food security. Here are the references for the citation retrieved from the web and also from the journals. And with that, we've come to the end of our discussion. If you have any questions regarding our findings and discussion, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Until we see each other again, thank you for listening.